Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kalan from White Glove Models and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and today we're going to be building kit 14 of the Gone in 60 Seconds Eleanor Mustang. So in this episode, we're going to be doing the rest of the, looks like the driver's side seat, I do believe. And this should be a lot of fun and really simple to do. If you guys are looking for a full tutorial, I recommend heading over to the World of Wayne. His YouTube channel is down in the description below if you'd like to head over there and check out a full tutorial. I am doing things a bit different. You guys probably saw in my last few videos. And when it comes to the build, I'm just doing it live, basically the way what I see and what happens is basically what you guys are going to see, basically an unedited, unscripted version of it. Enough talking, let's head over to the workbench and get started.
All right, so here we have everything for kit 14, and as you can see here, we're going to be working on the bottom portion of the seat cushion for the, I think this is the driver's side on the left-hand side. Yep, it says so right there. And it's the, you get the left seat bottom and the left seat cushion. And looks like they're made out of two different types of plastic, which is weird. But anyways, we do get to bring over the other portion of the seat that we made in a previous video. As you can see, it's right here. And I'll go ahead and get this one opened up. Thought it was kind of weird that they have them separated by plastic, but not really sure why. Maybe the two plastics don't like each other, but I don't know. Then you get some PSO5 screws. That's right there. They've already got their little happy container out. Put them in there. Awesome. So it looks like the first thing that we're going to do is take this new section, pretty shiny, not very long, not for very long, it does get fingerprints on it, and you're going to throw that guy on there. And the cool thing about this one is it actually moves, the seat will move forward like they did in the real Mustangs. Then you take this guy, and let me make sure I'm doing it right. Looks like it. And that just kind of plops down on there. And you're going to use 4 screws to hold this together. There we go. And those are the PSO5s, and I think what we found out worked best was my PHO screwdriver. Doesn't really matter what order you put them in. I do have to say, I think these screws that aren't pre-drilled are the scariest, because I feel like you always run the risk of stripping them. But so far everything's going together pretty good. You do have to put a little bit of force in it. And it's also nice to see things kind of coming together too. It's So we have the driver's seat now pretty much complete. Not sure if the seat belts are attached to this or not, but this is cool because, you know, I had a friend that had a 1965 Mustang, and the seats were just like this. And that is not going to go any tighter, so I'm just not going to mess with it. Don't want to damage anything or strip it out. But yeah, the seats would flip forward and then you'd crawl into the back. But yeah, there you go. I need to clean this up a little bit. But that is the end of that pack. And that was pack 4, I want to say. So pack 4 and kit 14. So we're all done with that.
Well, I really hope you guys are enjoying this build as much as I am, and thank you so much for stopping by. And I know, different Kalan, I look different. This is just because I forgot to film the outro for this video when I did it originally. But I did also want to say a couple things and give a big shout out to our current only patron of the channel, Ian Campbell from Partwork Upgrades. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you're interested in becoming a patron and seeing the cool behind the scenes videos that I post over on Patreon, as well as at buymeacoffee.com, you can see the link down in the description down below, and head over to those sites and you'll be able to see some great behind the scenes content. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't hit that like button, make sure you do that, as well as subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any new great content. Thank you so much and take care.